yung tawag sini? Bouquet of rambutan. Okay, di siya i-bouquet, babes. Kita niyo pa ko? Hindi na. Shout out kay Bekahab. Comment nag-react. Thank you so much for everything. But kani again. Kita niyo na. Hindi na stikuhan. Ako lang eh. Charot lang. So, first of all, thank you so much kay Uncle Pilong Noy. Hindi ko balaan nga ang ginatagaan ko sa mga guys. Pero thank you so much, Lord. Those people nga nakatanggap ng mga bagay, be thankful again. Not everyone has an opportunity to receive. Era lang. To receive that kind of gift. Small man na siya or big. So again, this is your baby girl Jay and reminding you that to be happy in life, you need to be grateful. To look back, how's my day today, what I did, what are the things that I received. Though you are so tired right now, remember that not everyone has opportunity to get tired or to be tired. Ban lang po tayo. And if you want a Bible verse, so to those people who nag-comment, verse is for you in 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 18. Thanks in all circumstances, for this is God's will in Christ concerning you and me. Acknowledge your sadness, and then after that, yourself a treat or anong katakot? Treat. Libre mo yung self mo. And ka need to take a pause. Hindi man po tayo nakakatanggap ng bouquet of flowers from different people to our loved ones, especially to our crushes. Shout out sa akong crush na tayo. Charot. So this is for me. Di ko siya kaya abon. Sinakay bugat-bugat siya kasi mabigat siya. Nay, tay, Jap, yung baby girl nyo, bigyan na ng rambutan, baka sa susunod house in lot, charot. So again, this is your baby girl, Jay, and nagsasabing, be safe, be happy, be optimistic in life. Pray always, and God bless us all, okay?